In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make columns and sections in Notion. 5 minutes. Columns are a great way to clean up busy pages, compare information side by side, and make dashboards feel organized at a glance. Let's start by opening Notion and signing in on the web or desktop app. Once you're in, head to a page where you want better layout control. You can use a brand new page or an existing one. This works exactly the same either way. Before arranging anything, add the content blocks you plan to organize. In Notion, everything is a block: text, to-dos, images, embeds, databases, and more. Type a few lines, paste an image, or drop in a checklist so you have something to move. You can always add more later, but having a couple of blocks in place makes the layout steps clearer. Now hover to the left of any block to reveal the 6-dot handle. That's your grab point. Click and hold that handle to pick up the block. With the block held, drag it to the left or right of another block. You're aiming for a side-by-side placement, not above or below. Watch for the on-screen guide. When a thin vertical blue line appears, Notion is telling you a new column will be created at that spot. If you see a horizontal line instead, that means you're placing the block above or below, not making a column. Just adjust your cursor slightly left or right until the vertical blue line shows up. When you have that blue line, release the mouse. The block drops into place and your new column is formed. Repeat the same drag action to add a third column, shuffle items between columns, or reorder columns by moving entire blocks from one side to the other. To fine-tune the layout, move your cursor over the shared edge between two columns. A subtle gray vertical line will appear. Click and drag that line left or right to resize the columns. Notion adjusts proportions as you drag, so you can give a wider column to a calendar or gallery and a narrower one to simple text. If something looks cramped, nudge the handle until the content breathes. A couple of quick tips as you work. On smaller screens and mobile, columns stack vertically, so build layouts on desktop for the best control. And if you want your columns to feel like distinct sections, add clear headings and keep related blocks together so each area has a purpose. That's all you need to create clean, flexible columns and tidy sections in Notion. Grab the handle, watch for the blue line, drop to form the column, and resize with the gray divider. Happy building!